Hey there, this is Manpreet and welcome to Life of Manpreet BookTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the books that I got in last month. I have got some really good classics, some non-fiction books and one newly published book from my favorite author. I am going to introduce you to these books as if they are new books and tell you about the plot of these books so that you can make your choices about getting some new books for yourself and start reading. And the books are in the order of how I bought them. So the first book that I got is Twilight by Stephenie Meyer. Twilight is a book about a girl named Isabella and she meets a very handsome, very attractive guy, and that guy has some deep secrets, and she just falls in love with him in first sight, and then she's gonna discover some secrets, and she figures out that being with that guy is going to put a lot of people in danger, and that is what the book is about. It is fun to talk of popular titles as if they are just new titles, isn't it? I got this book because Stephenie Meyer has released another version of Twilight which is narrated from another perspective, and I wanted to read that, so I bought this one so that I can read the original one first. The second book that I got is Jane Eyre by Charlotte Brontë. I don't think I'll be pronouncing the names correctly, so forgive me for that. This book has two very weird characters which are totally not relatable and totally not good in the sense a reader would like them to be. So Jane Eyre is there, who is a governess, and her boss is also a very weird character. So this is a sort of weird love story between these people. I bought this book because I want to read a lot of classics in this year, so that's why I wanted to start with this one. Though I had some classics in my bookshelf, but I do not have my bookshelf with me right now. Next book is the newly released title by Shikha, and that is Logically Stupid, That's Love. Shikha is an Indian author and I have read her He Fixed the Match, She Fixed Him, and I love that book, and this book is equally amazing because I'm half done with the book and I loved it. The story of the book is about two people, Karthik and Sahana. Sahana is a very romantic kind of person, and Karthik is very money minded and career oriented person, and the book is about how they fall in love and how both of them just get together. The next two titles are non-fiction and sort of business related books, which are FAQs on Marketing by Philip Kotler, and then there is Great Negotiating Skills by Bob Etherington. So these are two books which I bought because I sort of work in this profession, so I always want to learn more about marketing, and I am very bad at negotiation, so I got these two books for myself. All the books have been listed in the description box down below in case you want to buy the books or you just want to check out the titles once again. So don't worry, you don't need to write, just keep watching the video. So the next book that I got is a 2-in-1 book by Jane Austen. This is again a classic, and the books are Emma and Pride and Prejudice. The book Emma is about this girl named Emma who is like very selfish but very nice, and how she finds her love interest and how she discovers the good side of herself in the process. And yeah, I might not be able to explain the stories very properly because classics are something which have been read by a large number of people, so some of you might be like, oh god, she is just describing the story in a very bad manner, or she just totally missed the point. But I'm just saying whatever it's written on the back side, so spare me from your hatred if I explained it badly. The second book over here is Pride and Prejudice, which is again a romantic novel, but there's a lot of family drama in it. The author has always been known for her character building, and the weird thing is I have actually read Pride and Prejudice years back and I don't remember a thing. That's why I had to get it back and read it again. The next book is again a 2-in-1 book, which is by Charles Dickens, and this is A Tale of Two Cities and Oliver Twist. A Tale of Two Cities is a book which is based around French Revolution. So I am an Indian and I haven't read many books which are based in different countries, so I wanted to read such books which are based around World War and French Revolution and things like that. So that's why I picked up this book, and the bigger reason why I picked this version was I wanted to read Oliver Twist. Oliver Twist is a very good novel. It was one of the most recommended novels by my teachers in school, and I so want to read it. Oliver Twist is about a guy who is born in a very bad situation. He doesn't have a good family and he meets very bad kind of people in his life, but in the end he ends up very nicely with a very good family, very happily as a rich person. And I'm really excited to read both of the books because first book is going to tell me a little bit about French and all that, and the second book is based in London. And the last book that I got is a giant book by a very popular autobiography writer, Walter Isaacson, and the autobiography is of Steve Jobs. Steve Jobs was the CEO of Apple. He was actually the founder of the company. I have a friend who is like a big fan of Steve Jobs, and I wanted to read this book just to know about Steve Jobs a bit more, because when he is bragging about Steve Jobs was like this, I wanted to be able to give better answers So that's why I picked up this book. Guys, this is the end of this book haul video, and this is the entire pile which I have got for myself, and I am planning to read this very quickly because I want to read more and more books in 2016. At least I want to, meet my book reading challenge of reading 50 books this year. So let me know if you liked my book haul, if you liked the books I selected for myself, and if you have read any of these, let me know how did you find the books. Maybe I'll read them first. Oh, it was very heavy. So anyways, thank you for watching this video, and make sure you hit thumbs up if you liked it, and do subscribe to my channel if you like books, if you like reading, and if you like to watch videos about books. This is Manpreet signing off.